Guys, welcome back to another video, and it's STG today. My dog's just looking at me like, what the fuck? I'll go and do lemon shots, juices. Hold on. I need to wash this because it's from a freaking, what do you call it? Mouthwash. Okay. Okay. Jesus, hold on, I think I have another bottle of lemon. Jesus, all the sugar's went to the bottom. Hold on, let's have a look. Wait, hold on, wait. I need to find some more lemon. Okay guys, I'll try this challenge. It's maple syrup. I don't like maple syrup, like all that. I don't like it from the bottle, it's horrible. But I like it on a little bit on cereal, but it's a bit too sour for me, so. I like one of those guys. So guys, maple syrup, it looks horrible, I bet it tastes horrible.
I've done your pancakes.
It tastes like bloody. It tastes bloody, Dad. Nah. I still got a lot. Bloody hell.
What's the matter with you?
It's too strong for my bloody throat. That's so. Still got a bit left. Still got a bit left, guys. I was supposed to do lemon. But if I react like that to this, I must. It's exactly the bloody same. Please like, subscribe, people. See you in the next one. Bye.